Hey guys, Mikey Turbo's back at it again. We are here at the Devil's Triangle. We just did about like 50% of it. It is insane, right? What'd you think of it? Vin, what'd you think of it?
It was insane, man. A lot of fun. Definitely a lot of fun over here.
A lot of holy shit moments.
Yeah,
but yeah, take a look at this, guys. Ready? Let's see. What's up, Thomas?
Hey, Michael. What a great time, huh?
Yeah, right? Look at all those cars behind us. That's a lot of Fiats, Alfa Romeos. You name it, it's here. All right, now we're gonna go back up because we only did about 50%, so we still gotta go more up the mountain. So I'll see you when we get there. Peace out. I scared myself. I just like almost hit a fox. I had to swerve out of the way. Oh my God. Holy shit, that was a scary moment. Hey guys, all right, so we made it down to we made it at the end of the mountain of the Devil's Triangle. All right, so what happened was we were flying at like 80 miles an hour in these hairpin turns, and a dog came out of nowhere. Right, so you know, it's very dangerous what we're doing, and pretty much I tried to swerve out of the way, slam on my brakes as well. I had complete control the whole time. I didn't lose it, and the dog was good. So don't worry about the dog. The dog was good. And when we got out of the car, we made sure everything was good, and we just got back on the road and we started having fun again.
But we are having lots of fun.
Lots of fun.
Having a great time. You should be here. If you haven't come to this, you got to come to this.
Yes. Look, if you're still watching this, stop watching it and get your asses over here now.
Sounds like a plan, Mike.
Alright guys, here we go. Now we're going back up the Devil's Triangle.